Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I have come with a new tutorial, it's a new video for you. You can see this is my site plan, right? So in this I'm going to show you. You can see my cursor, right? So here rec command, once I type, see this corner too. See this corner is my plot, right? So this is my plot. So this is my plot size or plot area. See, here I have been copied here, and this is my plot area. So I need to design in this plot, so I'm going to show you the dimension of it. So just go for DAL command from your keyboard and just type it here. So this is 25 feet, you can see it here, right? So I have set all these command. I hope you have seen my lot of tutorials in that I have teach you how to set a unit and all these, or if you want to learn these commands, then you can watch my previous tutorials which I have been uploaded in my playlist. So see, and this is my 50 feet. So this plot size is 20 feet by 50 feet. So here this is our north facing plot, right? So we can't design, we can't take this built up area as whole. So the plot size of 25 feet by 50 feet, we can't consider the whole. We cannot design in this completely area, so we need to leave some spaces for windows, ventilations, and for government norms, then for government norms we need to leave setback as 5 feet, but here I have left 5 feet 6 inches. So in that I have only left of setback, and we need to leave off ROW also, like right of way. So if this is my road, right? So this you can see, this is my road. This road is 20 feet. You can see this is 20 feet. So if you are going to construct your home in the national highways, state highways, then you need to leave spaces for right of way also. You know that, I hope you know the meaning of right of way. In the I am talking about right of way, it's not carries way. So right of way means you need to leave off space from in future if the road will be extended. If the road will be extended, then you need to leave some spaces, like if this is the center distance, I need to go for of center. So this is the center line of the road. So here you on your ortho, and this is your center line of the road. So each side is 10 feet, right? So in future, as per government norms, which type of road is this, you need to leave. So if in future, if this road will be extended for 30 feet, then so 30 divided by 2 will be 15. So from center line, from center you need to leave some spaces, like 5 feet from both the sides of the center. So here this road is minor or major or district road, so I need not to leave some spaces as per government rules and norms. So if you are going to construct your house, where you are going to construct, then go for its road. What is the width of this road, and what is the type of this road, and as per government norms you need to check, and according to that you need to leave some spaces of right of way. So if this road will be extended up to 30 feet, right? So from the center it will be like 15 feet from here to this. You can see my cursor from here to 15 feet, and here to here also 15 feet. So in the north facing plot, see here 10 feet is already given, so here you need to leave for 5 feet. If the road will be like, if your government told you, in the government norms you need to leave, like it says that you need to go for right of way, then offset of 5 feet, you can see. So offset of 5 feet, see your 5 feet will be this. So now from here to the center line will be 15 feet, right? So from each side 15 feet, and now after that you need to go for setback. So this will be your right of way. I'm going to show you. This will be your right of way. Okay, so now it will be edited like, I'm just giving the example, please don't take it like right of way. ROW is the short form. So right of way, so this will be the right of way. So this 15 feet will be the right of way. In future you need to leave these spaces from, so 10 feet is okay, this is not comes in your plot, but this remaining 5 feet, this remaining 5 feet will be deducted from your plot for right of way. In future you need to leave some spaces for your road extension, then you need to give this 5 feet for the road extension. Okay, after that you need to, as per government norms, you need to leave some spaces for setback, and the minimum 5 feet setback you need to leave. So in this type of plot I do not leave any row right of way, I do not leave, but for your understanding purpose you need to leave, as per your type of the road you need to leave some spaces for right of way also. Okay, so in this I do not leave, I only left for setback. So now after that you need to leave 5 feet for setback from here, right? This will be your side setback. So let's go for this. Now this much will be left, this much space will be like 10 feet will be left. After that now you can go for your construction of building. So from right left also I have left for my windows, and for window purpose I have left 5 feet 6 inches from my back. Okay, if you want to leave some spaces for your window, minimum 5 feet you need to leave, like 1.5 meter you need to leave, that much space for your window placing, right? So from this is your north, you can see my cursor, this is your north facing. So in this will be your east, this will be your west, and this will be your south. So I hope you have understand your setback will be, and one most thing, your setback will be this, and your right of way will be this much space, right? See, your this much 5 feet will be your right of way, you have left, this is your all your space. Now check, in 50 feet you have seen your plot size is 25 by 50 feet, here 25 by, where it goes, see, 25 feet by 50 feet. So from 50 feet, 5 feet for right of way and 5 feet for setback. In that also you need to leave for balcony. See, in if you are going to construct your G plus 1, G plus 2, G plus 3, you need to leave minimum space of 3.5 feet of balcony in your first floor. See, here that much space you need to leave, or so that your cantilever balcony will not lie in the setback area. So as per government norms it says that your balcony should not lie in the setback area, right? So this is the thing you need to understand. Now only you can go for your construction. So now I'm going to show you what will be your this this spaces, right? So after this, see, now 31 feet will be your length and 25 feet will be your uh, width. In that also, if you need to leave some spaces like 3 feet I have left from my you know from my east side for ventilation. For ventilation you can leave for 3 feet, right? I have left from east. So now my built up area will be this. So I have left here right of way, but in my plot I do not left of right of way. So what will be, so I'm going to undo my previous plan will be, so how much, see, this is my built up area I have left. So this is the 3 feet I have left from the east, and 5 feet 6 inches from my front for setback, and from west I do not leave any spaces, and 5 feet 6 inches will be my south direction I have left off. Okay, so I do not leave off right of way in this place. Okay, because I do not need of here. because this is 20 feet road, and this is not a state highway or something like national highway. And for national highways also some norms like 50 meter, or for state highway also like 30 meter, like that you can go and you can see. And if this lies in your major road, minor road, your street road, then 20 feet is well and enough. So I have finally I have got my built up area. So my built up area will be like 22 feet of my width, and 39 feet will be my length. In that I need to go and consider, means I need to design, okay, in that area. So now, as per consideration of vastu also, I am going to teach you. See, this is my built up area and I have left off it. I have already told you, for setback you need not, your cantilever balcony of first floor will not lie in this. So I am going to leave of 3 feet 6 inches of my balcony area right here. How much it will be? So it will cover up, erase. Now I'm going to erase all my dimensions over here, right? And now what I need to do is, here, now see how much will be this. So like 9 feet, right? So minimum parking area, parking you can do, okay. For parking 9 feet, it's okay. So here, now you can go and consider in this. If you do not want to leave this 3 feet 6 inches, then it's okay. But in first floor, if you want balcony, then you need to leave. So now it's okay. If you do not want, then see, this is will be your balconies and everything will be live. So if you design in this, then it will looks very good. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel, and for getting all updates, press the bell icon for getting more updates. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.